Hey, can you pull together a list of contacts that we had an appointment with last quarter or last year? You know, that's a great question. And here at PhoneBurner, you certainly can pull together a list of contacts that had an appointment or have an appointment with you. And that's part of the advanced search functionality here in PhoneBurner. So opening up the advanced search menu, we can go down to the appointment section. Also, as a reminder, this is just one training video, part of the advanced search training module, where we dive deep into each of the sections of the advanced search menu, where you can learn everything that you can take advantage of within the advanced search. The appointment section allows you to search for contacts based off of appointment information. This is calendared appointment information, things that you set a date and time in your PhoneBurner calendar for. Now, for those of you who've been watching our videos, and maybe you're watching them in order, you may be going, wait a second, I've seen you talk about searching based off of appointments before. You would not be wrong, but it is a different type. So if you remember correctly, back in the contact activity section, there is an option to search for schedule an appointment with a prospect. This is different. Schedule an appointment with a prospect is the date that the rep actually created the appointment with the prospect, whereas the appointments section allows you to search for contacts based off of when the appointment is. So I might have created the event last week, but the event might be next month. I'm going to use the appointment section for that. And I can search for appointments based off of the title, the description, and the date. So let's say, for example, I want to find all of the appointments that I had, and I'm going to choose anything before today, right? Because honestly, this is a demo account. I may or may not have anything recent. So we're going to go ahead and click apply and now hit search. These are all of my contacts that I've booked an appointment with, or that have had an appointment on my calendar before today. Now let's try switching this up. I'm curious now. Let me go in here and switch this to today and after. Apply and hit search. 0. That's what I thought. So let's go back to the advanced search. Go back to this. Let's switch that back to today and before. Apply and search. Now, a couple other options that we can take advantage of regarding this, because you may have different appointment types based off of how you're naming them, right? So if we go in here, we can see this appointment was Call Rachel Sample. That was the title. And that appointment might have a description. It does not, but you may be using the description field. And so you might want to find contacts based off of the name or the title that you gave it, or specific information you put in the description. So anytime you schedule an appointment with a contact, either using the actions menu in the dial session or add event here in the contact record, right, you're going to choose the date and time. PhoneBurner is going to automatically set the event name. It's going to be call name of the contact and their phone number. Now you can of course change this if you want, but we will automatically insert that when you are adding an event to a record. Let's go back, open up the advanced search. And so again, you can search based off of title and description. Keep in mind, you'll want to use wildcards when you're searching for titles, right? You might want to do call asterisk. Or in this case, let's do contains Rachel, right? This will limit our appointments. Hit search, and we have one contact that has a title that contains Rachel in it. Shocker, right? Anyway, so as you use the system and you start to systematize how you create appointments on your calendar in PhoneBurner, you'll be able to search and find the contacts that you care about most within whatever date range you're looking for based off of that information. So anyway, thanks for taking a moment to watch this video. I hope this helps you and your organization Get more done in less time using the power of PhoneBurner.